On your marks, get set! Are you ready?
Get on!
Oh, I'm ready.
Go! Who go? Go! 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 Did he say go? Yeah. Wait, give me an extra 10 seconds for that. All right, we are very excited to be here today. And Surfwheel gave us a bunch of surf wheels. And to make this even better, we have a prize package. They sent us some really cool prizes. Let's see what's inside. Sent by Surfwheel. What do you mean? This is the first time I've used a razor blade to open a package.
It's more scary than any other method
think
of
so?
you opening a box.
Okay. Wow. We got a Surfwheel t-shirt. Invitation to Surfwheel USA 2019 race.
I love that.
Feel the thrill and excitement of surfing on land. Be the first to finish 3 laps around the course and be declared the winner of the Surfwheel USA 2019 race.
Wow.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Hop on your surf wheel and take the plunge. Word of caution. 1. Participants are required to wear full protective gear. Collisions during the race may cause severe injuries. Read that in mom voice. I don't know, you want to hear what my mom sounds like.
I do.
Collisions during the race, honey, sound like this may cause severe injuries. She's from Montana. We wouldn't want that to happen to you, honey. Oh, wait, they put that next line. Okay, 2, unless you finish the race and you're ready to tell the world you won, never use your mobile phone during the race or whenever you're using your surf wheel. Do not Instagram while you're doing the surf wheel, okay, bros? Reminder, warm up before the race, stretch and put some Beyonce on to loosen up before you surf up. That's something we do know very well about. About Surfwheel 2019 race, participants 4, Surfwheel USA first prize, first place trophy, Surfwheel SU Surfwheel t-shirt, bragging rights. Surfwheel USA second prize, I just gotta see the trophy though.
I know. No.
There we go. I don't know what we were doing. Pinching it?
Dude, I want all y'all going down.
Is that what's up for grabs
Yes.
right now? Oh, I'm in this video.
Oh.
How do we get this open? There we go.
Fire.
2019 Surfwheel USA
What?
first
Why
prize!
do we not have
Woo!
this video?
Woohoo! Yeah, we need to actually make some more trophies.
Even third place gets a sick little medal.
We go first to second, dude.
I'm just getting ready to hand this to Nigel when he gets third. Oh. Shots fired.
So the black guy gotta be last, huh?
No, you're not last. There's like 8 of us participating.
There are, that said 4 on the briefing sheet. We'll go 8.
Hey. Aaron, take a bite of that. Is it real?
Yeah. Would you hang this in your room?
I would display it in my living room, in my house.
Get a stand with a glass
I will.
case around it.
I will flex that every other day on Instagram.
Your girl comes over, you're like, yeah,
It's
babe.
like, hey,
Second
baby.
place winner.
See what I did at work today? Yeah, no big deal, you know.
So here's the deal. We made a video with the surf wheel earlier. It's called What is a Surf Wheel? And we could barely ride it. And then Surfwheel saw the video and they said, you guys are doing it all wrong. Sent us some tutorial videos on how to do it.
So we all have to
We
watch
might have
them.
had it backwards or something. I mean, the chances of us messing it up are about 100% chance. And then they sent us this Surfwheel learner wheels.
More?
Yeah, we got learner wheels for each set.
Vámonos.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely taking first. Look at me flying through the waves. Woo!
There's a crow here and I don't have treats for him.
Okay guys, so we filmed this incredible, dangerous race around the nails ledge, and 12 people almost lost their legs.
You're too close to the ledge.
Look at the ease!
Oh! Dude!
This is my favorite part of the course.
Oh! No!
And then we realized after we finished everything that the surf wheels were in beginner mode.
I swear I'm doing my best. Look at that. I'm not joking.
We spent like an hour putting them out of beginner mode, but somehow I think Gabe Cruz set this up on purpose.
It was him.
Because everybody's race except for Gabe's was in beginner mode.
I have turned learner mode off, and I'm going to upgrade the firmware, and it is now upgrading. Wow, look at that grace!
Oh no! I'm going full speed. Someone turned this down to like 1.
Gabe? I didn't. Alright, now straight shot.
Oh, he's off.
He's looking at me like,
No.
no. So we filmed this race and then we realized that it was in slow mode. So we wanted to take it outside, put it in fast mode, do one more race and see the real power of this thing. I'm gonna put down a start line with this chalk right here. And we're gonna go around that cone. So basically you start right here, go around that cone, back, and that's your time. One time only. You don't get no 2 tries on this, okay? You've been practicing.
Oh, it is
mostly?
only one time?
You want to do 2 times?
I want to do 2 times,
Okay.
yeah.
Gabe's like, he's trying to sabotage it again. 2 times.
I want second
Oh,
place.
he's going! Who wants to go first? Nigel?
Nigel's first.
Ryan Jones.
All right.
Aussie, can you keep time?
Who's timing?
I just said, Aussie, can you keep time? And you said, who's timing? You pulled an Uzi.
I would love to pull an Uzi. I love Uzi.
Oh my God.
Uzi's my friend.
I missed what happened, but I'm somehow still.
All right, Aaron, can you say go?
On your marks, get the set. Who go? Oh, he's actually.
Oh, he's going! Dang! Around that cone, brother. Around the cone! Yes.
Oh no! What are we doing?
Oh my gosh! No way! No way! He's actually flying.
I want to go.
All right, Uzi, you're up.
I'm ready.
You can't get a head start. You got to start at the line, Dodo.
This is a negative start. It's not a head start.
All right, Nigel. 55. 55.96 milliseconds. Centiseconds. Bajilliseconds. All right, Uzi's going to go.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Timer, are you ready?
I'm ready. Ready position.
Aaron, are you ready?
On your marks, get set. Are you ready?
You didn't say go.
Get on!
Oh, I'm ready.
Go.
Wait, we're going at the same time?
No?
Oh, dang. Oh, dang! Dang, he's flying!
He's flying. He's flying.
Wow. All right, what is the verdict? Wow.
Wow.
Dang.
15 seconds faster.
Well, you got to remember that 15 seconds was me on the
On the
ground,
ground,
and
laughing.
also laughing.
Aaron, you're going?
Do I do my own on your marks?
Oh.
Somebody give me a...
On your mark. Yeah,
Did he say go?
Yeah.
Wait, give me an extra 10 seconds for that. Oh, dude, I'm flying.
Come on, Aaron. Hit that turn. Hit the turn. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's what you get for practicing.
I know, right? I did 2 perfect ones, and then on my real turn, it's gonna start raining.
Tokyo drift out here.
All right, Mogs, you're up.
All right. I don't need a countdown.
Oh, wait.
44, 41.
Dang it!
On your marks. Get set, go.
Off to a blistering start.
What did I tell you? Mowgli just can't ride it. I told you. Just get. It's not.
Dog, look it. Just relax. Lean forward.
I swear,
Dude,
Put your back foot
I'm
on here,
telling you.
and your front foot on here.
Just
and
stand.
just a little bit.
Stand like this.
I swear, I'm not making this up.
Put both. There you go. Stand there.
Let's disqualify him.
Let me go.
Next.
Let me go.
Who's next? On your marks. Get set. Go.
Gabe, zoom in.
Let's go.
Are you racing, Dan?
So close.
These inferior technology.
Oh, cry because I beat you. Yeah, I see.
It's okay.
Okay, who's next?
I went easy on
Nigel?
Yep.
So is Mowgli really disqualified?
Yeah. Look at him.
All right, run number 2.
On your marks. Get set. Go. You even had a little bit of a moving start. I like that. I like that. Dude, he's flying. Okay, Mowgli.
Wait.
I'm ready for real.
All right, Mowgli. His one and only run.
All right, ready?
On your marks. Get set. Go.
Wow, you really hit that turn better than everyone, though.
Let's go.
Trying to do a trick at
Disqualified.
the end. Get out of here. Is it me now?
Najee got 103.98.
How in the world did you beat me?
Ready, Gabe? You ready, timer?
Isn't it Uzi's turn?
Uzi, you want to go?
I think my time's good.
On your mark. Go!
I'm gonna race against myself, Gabe. Personal progression.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow.
Right here. Speed though, speed faster. Let's go!
Yep.
Oh snap! I gotta come out of retirement.
That's why they call it a surf wheel. Oh! Partay.
All right, Uzi said, As soon as you beat his score, he said, I gotta come out of retirement.
You don't got me. You don't got this. You got nothing. You're scared.
All right, Gabe, you ready for this? My title defense.
Mowgli, what are you doing? Get out of here!
We're racing.
No, you're not!
For the trophy.
No, you
No!
go with your next
Are you
turn.
afraid?
Yes, I need a
On your
fence
marks. Get set. Go.
Come on, Uzi!
Begin. Begin, Surfwheel.
Come on, Uzi! Come on, Uzi! Come on, Uzi! You gotta push it! You gotta push it, brother!
Watch out for the glass.
No! No!
That's a lie.
Oh, wow!
All right, are you ready?
All right, ready?
On your marks.
2, 1, go.
Wow.
I'll take the title. I'll take the title.
Beat him, finally, in something. Let's go.
You did it. You did it.
Ah, I didn't beat him?
Not on the surf wheel or in the game of skate.
gosh. Why did someone say that before I spoke? Dang.
Oh, you played yourself.
That's sad.
Well, Uzi wins again.
Can we have more of these? I need another
Look
trophy.
at this
The
fool
double
practicing
champ.
again.
The champ. Where's my belt?
Have the outro.
Do you want to pose with your? You want to pose with it up there?
No, it's just,
Here.
It's just
Did you just time
Here.
yourself?
Give me a little.
Well, they definitely go a lot faster and are definitely meant for outdoor use. I realized that we were kind of in this like little closed course. They definitely work a lot better outside with a larger amount of space, and I realized that's what they're used for. See, last time we filmed this video, it was completely raining, so we couldn't come out here, so we had to take advantage of this. And yeah, a huge thanks to Surfwheel for sponsoring this video. Check out their link in the description below. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, it's time for you to learn how to ride on a skateboard. Let's go.